Hey creators, did you know that 60% of the people click on the thumbnail solely based on the thumbnail? That's right, your thumbnail is actually the first impression in the sea of the content available on YouTube. The amazing thumbnails that you see out there on YouTube are not 100% done by the designers. But if I told you that those thumbnails are done just in 1 minute, now you might be thinking, hey Monis, that's not practically possible because designers can't do that thing. And yeah, we're not even talking about the designers because we are going to let AI create thumbnails for us. Within just few seconds, I'm going to take you to my laptop screen, and there I'm going to share with you an amazing tool with which you can create thumbnails just under a minute. And this is the tool that is actually leveling up the playing field for small creators. So let's begin. Let's turn your ideas into click magnets. Now, I just want you to imagine thumbnails like this. Just look at these photos. Are you able to see? Are you able to see these amazing photos? Just look at this. I'm just scrolling through these photos one by one. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now, what if I told you that all of these thumbnails are actually done by AI and it is done with the help of pixels, which I am going to take you through and tell you step by step how you can do the same for yourself. So stay till the end of this video, and if you're new to this channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and you like this video and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also get benefit, because this is going to be your secret weapon. Let's go. And as I'm going to take you to my laptop screen, 90% of the thumbnails on YouTube are just very generic. Blurry text, no proper imaging, no concept, and zero emotions. But the top 10% of the creators who create amazing thumbnails, they use psychology to actually hook the viewers and make them click on their videos. And that's what Pixel does. It actually solves two of the major problems: designing skills and the money that you have to spend on designers. You have to spend thousands and I would say a lot of money on the designers, and also at the same time you also need to have the designing skill also. What should I do here? What should I do here? What thumbnail I should create so that people can click on that thumbnail. Pixels solve everything for you. And it does not matter from which niche you are. Cars, living, education, trading, career, does not matter. You can create thumbnail by using pixels. So now you have to go on Google, just type pixels, viral thumbnails and titles in seconds. Just go over here. Okay, so now you have this particular website live in front of you. So now you just get the sign up done. You will get few credits in the starting for absolutely free. Then you can buy their plan, and I would say it is the cheapest plan that you can ever get in your entire life. That's what I would say, because it's amazing. So now I'm done with the login. So right on my screen, you can see 4 things over here: thumbnail, recreate, face swap, and title. Let's first go to the thumbnail section. So now here, you need to just type in the prompt. After typing my desired prompt, I can get the thumbnail that I want. Let's start with the first prompt. So now this is what I've written over here. Create a catching thumbnail with the red and yellow and hook text note on the bottom for this video title: Crypto Crash 2005 is the bull run over. Okay. So now let's click on generate. It's just gonna take like few seconds and it will be done. Let's wait for the results. This is our thumbnail, Crypto Apocalypse. Amazing, next level. Let's just create more. Before I give one more prompt and start creating, there is one more thing that you can do. So let's say if the thumbnail which the AI have provided, if you don't like it in the first glance, then what you can do, you can click on redo over here also. What you can do, you can download, you can click on redo, and it will actually help you to generate even much better, and you can keep doing it until you get the perfect thumbnail that you want. Or what you can do is you can click on edit. Let's say if the AI have provided you with the text that you don't like, the images that you don't like, or whatever changes that you want, specific changes, you can ask and it will change for you. Now let's say if you have a thumbnail in which there is a face, now you want to change that face, you can upload the image over here and it will help you to change the face also. So now we are going to click on redo. Let's wait and let's see what we get. Let's wait and let's see what we get. Then after that, we're gonna give one more prompt. Okay, as you're able to see, it's definitely amazing. Crypto Crash 2025, next level. I salute you, Pixels. Let's give one more prompt. Okay, this is our prompt: 2-man underwater terrified shark approaching ocean background. Let's click on generate. And there is just one more thing which I would like to share with you, which is avoid vague prompts. Don't say shark video thumbnail. Don't say it like this. You have to be very, very specific, because the more specific that you go, the better thumbnails that you're going to get. Look at this. If this is not crazy, then what is the crazy thing? What is crazy? What is more crazy? Now let's do one more thing over here to change, and I would like some changes in this also, because I want Cristiano with me. So we're gonna say Cristiano Ronaldo and me shark diving, fear on our faces, ocean, dramatic, lightning. Let's click on generate and let's see what we get, because over here I'm giving more details, and let's see. Let's wait for the response. Here we go. Look at this. This is definitely very, 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 very amazing. There is definitely a difference because we have Cristiano with us, and I am loving the colors better. Are you able to see the difference? The AI thrives on details. When you go to a chef, you just don't ask the chef, make something for me. You say, make chicken Thai curry with coconut tender water, something like this, So now this is what you will get. Now you can do as many redo as you want, you can make as many changes as you want, and you can even do the face swap. So let's say if I want to do the face swap, I have to upload the file. Let's just upload my photo. Now here's just one thing. There is just one feature that I don't like. I will be very, very honest with you. I just don't want to promote something which the feature that I even don't like. I don't like actually the face swap feature, because I think it could have been much, much better. So if anyone from Pixels team is watching, you guys just need to work on this particular thing. Otherwise, everything end-to-end top-notch, 99% awesome, 1% you just need to work on this face swap feature. And if you want to get access to this, you can just click the link below. I have this special offer. So if you want to get the access to this Pixels, just click the link below, join through there, and you will get a special discount also. So look, on the left side, it has done the face swap, but still it could have been much, much better. It definitely lets you to insert yourself in any scene, any photo. So, but whatever it is, now I'm diving with Ronaldo. It's amazing. Now let's say if I want the text over here on this. Let's understand this. Now in thumbnail, text actually matters a lot. Just one to 2 words, 3 words matters a lot. You have seen Mr. Beast and all these creators having some sort of text. Now let's say if we want to add the text. Now let's say, so we're gonna click on edit, add shark diving with Ronaldo in yellow bold font. Let's wait for the response. In between when it's generating, I just want to give you some ideas that can actually improve your click-through rate. I saw him call her. Second, van life truth controversy. Third, $500 experiment. You can just tweak this according to your videos and you can use this. I have one more surprise for you. Just stay till the end of this video to get that surprise. In that surprise, you're going to get 40 plus titles that you can use in your video to skyrocket your reach. So now previously I added this add shark diving with Ronaldo in yellow bold font, but I forgot to add rest, keep everything same. So the response I got was not that good. Let's click on generate again. So as you can see, here is the photo that I got. So sometimes AI can definitely do this. So right prompting with specific text, specific direction gets the job done properly. So now let's add this prompt and let's ask AI to actually add text, because as you know this thing, text is our second chance to hook viewers. So we're going to use it to amplify our video and amplify the emotions in our video. Let's click on generate and let's wait for the response. Now after we will be done with this, we are going to move to the next feature of Pixels, which is recreate. So now as you can see over here, it has written shark diving. It could have made this better, but I'm not gonna click on edit. I just want you to handle that part and just we can click on redo. You can just get it done by doing things, by slightly doing things here and there. Now let's move on to the next feature. So in this recreate, what happens? So the Pixels recreate feature actually lets you clone every thumbnail format that is available out there on YouTube, and you can actually take inspiration and you can make your thumbnail according to that. Let me just give you one example right now. Let's go to YouTube and let's make this particular video. We're just going to copy this, go to Pixels, let's paste this link. Now after you paste this link, or you can upload any thumbnail and you can ask AI to recreate that same for you, but we are going to ask him to actually fetch thumbnail from over here. Now the inspiration weight, here is the catch over here. So now the way you keep inspiration is going to determine how exact is going to be your thumbnail according to that particular video. So now let me just give you one example. So let's say if you are keeping it high, now what would you like to change? So let's say if you are giving pixels one video and we want that so let's say we are giving pixels one video. Now we want to make some changes also at the same time while it recreates. We can also do that too, but currently I don't want to do that. Let's click on generate. Your designer would have charged thousands of rupees just to get this thumbnail, and now we're done with it just under a minute. It is definitely same format, but it is definitely unique also. Now let's say if we click on medium, I just want to give you example of this medium and low feature also. Look at this. I have kept it to medium and it has actually decreased on how much it is actually taking from that particular thumbnail. Now let's do the low one also. And if I want my image on the left side, I can also do that. If I want in the right side an Arabic woman, I can also get that done too. Look at this. Boom. It's definitely amazing. Now let's say if I want to do the face swap. So now this is how you take inspiration and this is how you actually use this recreate feature. You can do the same thing. You can redo, you can ask to make some changes, you can do the face swap, you can do all of these things. Here is some pro tip. I just want you to use low inspiration. Why? Because in that you can do a lot of customization and it is going to make your thumbnail 100% unique. So that actually helps a lot. And also redo generation. If your first attempt does not matches, it actually works a lot. Please test, because small tweaks can actually increase your CTR a lot. Now here is one more feature which is just left, which is the title feature. Let's go through that too. Help me with a title for my video where I am telling people why they should use pixels for thumbnail designing. Now it's going to give me 3 titles. Okay, let's see. Create stunning thumbnails with pixels. Create stunning thumbnails with pixels design guide. Create stunning thumbnails with pixels 2023 guide. We can write 2025 obviously. But yeah, these are very good. Now before I end this video, let's push boundaries. I want a thumbnail, where I'm taking a selfie with Elon Musk and his Tesla tiny house. Okay, so as you can see, this is one of the amazing thumbnail. Let's click on face swap. Let's upload the file. So as you can see so we have our viral ready thumbnail with less than $1 and not $500. Now we are at the end of this video. If you have stayed till the end, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video. And if you want to join Pexels, if you want to start creating thumbnails, just join through my link. You will get a special discount and also use your own creativity too. Okay, don't get bound by AI. Use your own creativity because this is our time to get creative and improve as an individual. And this is definitely going to replace a lot of designers, because this has replaced a lot of designers in my team too, and it can happen for you too. Now, I will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch other videos on my channel on AI so that you can become a better individual and you can actually learn AI and take your journey, take your business to the next level. This is me, Munis, signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.